Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the Blue Gate Confiscation Room Key, including how to use it, where to find it, and what you get inside. First off, this key is a random drop so it can show up in any container across the map. To improve your chances, I recommend checking out residential areas like Grandioso apartments or the apartment blocks in Blue Gate. These places are full of cupboards, drawers, and lockers, perfect for finding keys. Once you get the key, head over to Blue Gate. The best time to go is during events, especially at night for better loot. When you get there, go to the north side and you'll find a reinforced reception area. You can enter through the door or climb up the side to enter through the windows. Either way, keep an eye out for turrets and be ready to fight off any threat. Inside, you'll find a few useful items. Head down to the bottom floor and make a right. There's a room with some really good loot, especially if you have the security locker perk. Look for 2 lockers and plenty of smaller containers with ammo, medkits, and grenades. If you're lucky, you'll also find a weapon case and a metal container with more valuable loot. From there, keep going left to avoid any dangerous enemies, like bastions or matriarchs. As you move through, you'll come across a locked door with more loot opportunities behind it. It's worth checking out each room for useful items, but be cautious, other players might be around. And that's it. Hopefully you found this guide helpful.
And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.